Hi guys, this is Kinder Surprise Show, and today we will open 3 Kinder Surprise with Barbie toys. I want to start as soon as possible. Let's go! Our first Kinder Joy. Are you interested in what's inside it? I am. So, we divided the egg into 2 parts. Here we see a very tasty sweetness, and here we see the Barbie. I'm very happy. Look at the full collection. And look, this Barbie is a painter. I love Barbie because this doll is very beautiful. Look, our first Barbie has charming pink and purple dress. And her hair is like a real. And you can comb it. Great. But let's open next Kinder. And what's inside it? Oh, this Barbie is a doctor. Look, she has pretty blue medical gown and plastic hair. But it's very attractive anyway. So, I want to open our last Kinder Joy for girls. What we found here? Oh, sorry. It is duplicate. It is doctor again. But we have to look at our findings again. I think this doll is very gorgeous and beautiful, and they have a very important and interesting profession. And what would you like to become in the future? Write in the comments. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.